Emily and I are meeting up at a concert later, but I don't know where the venue is, so I asked her to send me her location when she got there so I could easily meet up with her. She made it there safe, sent me her location, and we can see it right here. If I tap on that little map, we can see the details of her location. You might be wondering what this CL stands for, and it's current location. It also tells us how far away this location is from us right now. We can tap here to get directions to this location, or we can tap on the map to see the location in the Maps app. There she is. Hi, Emily. To send someone our current location, we just need to open our text message conversation with them, tap their name and picture up here, tap the info button, and in the conversation details, we see the option to send my current location. We tap there, and they get a little link like we just saw. Now for some disclaimers and important info. When we send our current location, it's a one-time deal. People we send our current location to won't be able to track our movement. They'll only be able to see where we were at the exact moment we hit send my current location. As always, be careful who you share your location with so we can safely keep conquering the world.